Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Now before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and like this video because it truly helps me out a lot. So let's hop onto your Instagram, and from there you want to click on the bottom right to open up your menu. From there go to top right on the hamburger menu and then click on settings and privacy. From there you want to click on account censure. Then you want to click on personal details and then click on account ownership and control, and then tap on deactivation or deletion, and then tap on your Instagram account, and then you have an option to deactivate it or delete it. So if you deactivate your account, that is temporarily, and it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. So you will just click on continue, enter your password, follow the on-screen instructions, and that will be it. You have successfully deactivated your Instagram account. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, if you're still having some issues, let me know what is the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.